I'm Anil Kumar and we are exploring discrete sequences which are neither arithmetic nor geometric. Here is another example. Determine the next three terms of the sequence 4, 12, 24, 40 and so on. So let's write down the terms, which is 4, then we have 12, 24 and then we have 40, right? Now to get the next three terms, what we can do is we can find the first difference and then see if we get a clue of how the pattern is, and then probably we can find the other terms. So the first difference here is 12 take away 4, which is 8, and 24 take away 12 is 12, 40 take away 24. You can also use your calculator for this. Okay, let's use calculator. 40 take away 24 is equals to 16. Now what do we notice? We notice that the difference between each term is of 4, right? So it is increasing by 4. So the difference is 4, right? So if I add 4 to 16, I should get the difference for the next term. 16 plus 4 is 20. Is it okay? So that means that if I add 20 to 40, I should get my next term, right? So the difference between these two is because of 20. So the answer here should be equal to what? 60, right? Since 60 minus 40 will give me 20, right? So that is the kind of pattern we really found. So here again we have to add 4. So if I add 4, then I get 24 here, right? So 24 I could see the other way, that is I can add 24 to 60 to get my next term, which is 84, right? Now again we'll follow the same pattern and then add 4 to this. 4 adding to 24 means 28, correct? And 28 when you add to 84, what do you get? Let's do it. So we have 84 plus 28, which is 112. So we get 112 here. So that is how you can actually generate the sequence looking into the pattern, right? So this pattern represents, so this time we found that the second difference was constant, and that helped us to find the other terms. I hope that helps. Now as an exercise for you, you need to find a general term. So your question for this is find general term for this sequence, right? Now that is not an easy job. So but there is a hint. When you have second difference, it is the second difference which is equals to 4. In that case you could write equation in the form of, or the term as 2 to the power of n square plus something, right? So that will help you to get the answer, right? So you can take this as a hint. Since the second difference is constant, then second difference, the constant second difference divided by 2 is your leading coefficient, right? So in discrete sequence notation, I could write f of n as equals to 2 times n square plus something, right? So now it is simpler for you. Just find what that thing is, right? That should help you. I hope that will be a good exercise. Thank you and all the best.